If GOG Galaxy is giving you errors, crashing on launch, or failing to install or update games, this fix can often solve the problem fast. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to fix the GOG error by clearing leftover files, running the app with proper permissions, and moving your game folders to a safer location that Windows is less likely to block. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to clear another set of GOG files that can cause conflicts. On your keyboard, press Windows key plus R to open the run box. In the box, type %ProgramData% and press Enter. This will take you to the hidden ProgramData folder on your PC, where Windows stores shared application data. Once the folder opens, look for the GOG.com folder and open it. Inside, you may see another Galaxy folder. If you do, delete that second Galaxy folder as well. These leftover files can sometimes become corrupted or stuck, which can prevent GOG Galaxy from working correctly. After deleting that folder, go ahead and relaunch the app. In many cases, GOG will rebuild the missing files automatically and start behaving normally again. If the error is still there, don't worry, because the next step is just as important. Windows often blocks apps like GOG Galaxy from writing or modifying files inside protected system folders, especially standard locations like program files. That can interfere with game extractions, downloads, updates, and even launching certain titles. To help bypass that restriction, right-click your GOG Galaxy desktop shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions, which can make a big difference if the issue is being caused by Windows security restrictions. If that fixes the problem temporarily, it's a strong sign that folder permissions are part of the issue. But for a more stable long-term setup, we should also move your installation or download path to a better location. Here's the best practice. Create a simple dedicated folder directly in your drive root. For example, you can make a folder like C:\games/ or D:\GOGGames/. The reason this works better is because default system directories have stricter security walls that can interfere with game installs, updates, and file extraction. A root-level folder is usually easier for Windows or GOG to access, and it reduces the chance of permission-related errors. Once you've created that folder, open GOG Galaxy Settings and point your installation or download path to the new location. If you already have existing games installed elsewhere, you may need to move them later or redetect them depending on the error you're seeing. But for new installs, using a clean folder like this is often the easiest way to avoid future issues. So just to recap, the fix is open %ProgramData%, delete the second Galaxy folder inside GOG.com, relaunch GOG Galaxy, run the app as administrator, and then change your game folder to a dedicated root drive location like C:\GOGGames/. That combination solves a lot of common GOG problems related to permissions, corrupted leftovers, and blocked file access. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. And if you want, I can also help you with the next step, like repairing GOG Galaxy, clearing cache, or fixing install errors with another method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.